What's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can refund the Steam game after playing. Alright, now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go ahead and open up your web browser and log into your Steam account online. Now once you're here, go to support, and here you can scroll down and go to purchases. Now here, under I need help with a previous purchase or shipping, select the game that you want a refund from. Now here, for example, let's click this one, Firewatch. And here, click on I would like a refund. Next, you can click on I'd like to request a refund. Now in here, you can choose a refund method, and you can choose whether it is going to refund to your Steam wallet or to your digital wallet that you use to purchase this game. So I'm going to choose the digital wallet, and here under tell us why, select your reason. So let's select the reason from this drop down menu, and the safest way to go about this is to choose my computer doesn't meet the system requirements. Now here, in the notes, explain that your computer did not meet the system requirements for this game. That's why you cannot play it and you need a refund for this one. Now after that, you can click on submit request, and a team from Steam is going to contact you within 48 hours. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.